It's your boy Jizo back with another video, and today, one more time for you haters, man. And today, guess what time it is, guys? Do you know what time it is? I know what time it is. Do you know what time it is? It's Burman Heroes, and we must have a package in. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Before I open that package, make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, I will have special content if you join my subscription-based service on YouTube or my premium plan or whatever it's called. I don't know. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it's called something. Right? It's called something. I can't think of the name of it right now. My premium. Yeah. I don't know. Something. But yeah, join my membership. There you go. Join my membership. Alright, today's video is sponsored by winkick.ru. Again, that's winkick.ru. Let me make sure I'm giving you the right. Yes, winkick.ru. Again, that's winkick.ru. Okay. See what we got. Damn, did I get my knife? I don't think I got my knife. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Didn't get the knife. Oh my. Do I need it? Do I need it? No, I don't think I need it. I don't need the knife. I might be able to, use my muscles. I might be able to use my muscles. Might be able to. Ooh. Ooh, by the color of these, we got some Jordan 11s. I think, by the box, I think they're 11s. By the color, I think I know what these are. Do you know what these are? I think I know. I think I know. Right off bat. Right off bat, we open the box, we see nothing. We see nothing. But we open that paper. If we open that paper, oh man, we got the gammas, the alphas, omegas. We got the Jordan 11 Gamma, right? They call Gamma, right? They call Gamma. Got a little. We got them. Nice. Look at that color. What is that? Teal? What is that? Tiffany? What is that color? Aqua? That's a aqua? These look awesome, man. These look awesome. Nice build, quality. Everything's A1 with these. Shouts out to winkick.ru, man. Use code Jizo. They're gonna give you a percentage off. Use code Jizo. They're gonna give you some money off. Use code Jizo. They're gonna give you some money off. Again, that's use code Jizo. Yeah, winkick.ru, man. These are top tier sneakers, man. Top tier sneakers, man. You cannot get these anywhere but certain places, and winkick.ru is one of those places, man. These are the ones, man. These are the ones. You see that? No, I won't do all that, but check me out. Ooh. Gamma. Yeah, man. Got that Jordan on there. Oh yeah, these tough. These are definitely tough. Shouts out to me for getting these, and shouts out to Winkick for sending these, and shouts out to you for using code Jizo. I'm out. Peace.